In this video tutorial, we are going to demonstrate how to install a lamination module on the Fargo DTC4500e card printer. Open the printer box and remove the input tray. Remove the printer from the box. The printer supply pack includes the following items: Printer Quick Startup Guide, Printer Driver CD, USB cord, yellow notice card, power supply, power cord. Remove the printer from the plastic cover. To begin, tilt the printer forward onto its front side to allow access to the screws on the back of the printer. With the back exposed, you should be able to see two screws to open the front cover. Remove the top cover by gripping the front of the printer and lifting it upwards. Open the lamination module box. Remove the lamination module from its packing material. Open the flipper access door and look for the two screws to be removed in the next step. Flex the flipper door to release the pins from the frame. Remove two screws. Remove the top and input cap. To do this, tilt forward to unlatch the top and bottom tabs. Open the lamination module front door. This allows clearance to release the panel. Now, lift the back panel up and out. Now the lamination module is ready to be installed in the printer. Place the lamination module next to the printer and remove the foam insert. Line up the lamination module and slide in to allow the bottom latch tabs to connect. Make sure there is no gap around the tabs. Now tilt the printer to its back and see if the two lamination tabs are attached to the printer base properly. Now, use 2 screws to secure the lamination module to the base of the printer. This lamination connector requires a connection to the printer board. Now, before closing the covers, it is advised to power up the printer and lamination module to test. Press the printer power button. Once ready, press the pause button once. When you see info, press the button again. Now, press the left button and keep pressing one by one until you see flipper equals yes and lamination equals yes. This ensures the lamination module is connected properly. Now, open the lamination module front door that allows the side panel to secure properly. Locate the clip from the upgrade kit and insert the screw halfway. Next, insert the clip to the lamination printer base as shown. Tighten the screw to the insertion clip. Now close the lamination back cover. Close the lamination top cover. Reattach the top cover input cap. Reinstall the 2 side cover screws. Reattach the flipper door. This upgrade procedure is now complete.